Hi, this is Marino from Instadeck. This is a quick demo on how to use our new streaming source PubNav to build visualizations. So first, of course, we select the PubNav source. By default, it's configured using a sample stream of public market orders from PubNav. Of course, for your use case, you can change it for something else, but we will work with this. What we want to do is to do an aggregation to display the last trade by trade type. So we are going to do bid price by symbol by bid by trade type, and we can also have the last order quantity if we want. And if you see, it's displaying just one item on the result. That's because by default the aggregation will clear on each update, because it assumes it is aggregating tables, but we are aggregating a stream. So we go on the bottom right to settings and uncheck clear state before update, and now we have all the updates, not just the last one. And we may want to sort by symbol and trade type. So now with this data we can create a chart, for example, of bid price last by symbol and trade type, and we can do a heat map and sort again by symbol and trade type, but it should be already sorted. And we can see which are the hot trades. For example, Google stop is the biggest one, and stuff like that. This data is fake as far as I know, but it will make more sense with real data. But you can see that we quickly can go from a stream of updates into an aggregation that remembers previous states, and to complex visualization. Of course, you can change it for example, to stacked chart to compare horizontally, or any other chart. And you can use the same ideas and concepts we were using before to process a CSV, to process streams. The only main difference is that you have to uncheck this clear state before update, and other than that is the same as processing CSV. You can do streaming processing. If you have any feedback or question about this, just let me know. We're on social media or instadeck.com. Bye.